Ever wondered how much our food choices impact our health? It's fascinating to think about how what we eat can affect our risk of developing diseases like cancer. While there's no magic bullet to prevent cancer, there are foods that may increase our susceptibility to this complex disease. In this guide, we'll delve into the top 10 worst foods you should consider cutting out of your diet to lower your cancer risk. Let's explore these culprits and discover healthier alternatives that can help protect your health. Number 1. Processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli meats are convenient but come with significant health risks. They contain nitrates and nitrites, which can form carcinogenic compounds in the body. Furthermore, the high salt and fat content in processed meats may contribute to inflammation, a known factor in cancer development. Instead of processed meats, opt for fresh, lean cuts of meat like chicken, turkey, or fish. Consider incorporating more plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh into your meals. These alternatives are not only lower in saturated fats and harmful additives, but also rich in beneficial nutrients and fiber. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Sodas, sweetened teas, and energy drinks are loaded with sugar, contributing to weight gain and insulin spikes that may fuel cancer cell growth. The regular consumption of sugary drinks has been linked to an increased risk of various cancers, including breast and colorectal cancer. Switching to water, herbal teas, or naturally flavored water options can significantly reduce your sugar intake and help maintain a healthy weight. Infuse water with slices of lemon, lime, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing and flavorful alternative without the added sugars. Number 3. Overcooked or burnt foods. Charred or overcooked foods like grilled meats and toasted bread can contain harmful compounds like heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and acrylamide, linked to cancer risk. These compounds are formed when foods are cooked at high temperatures or for prolonged periods. To minimize exposure, opt for gentler cooking methods such as steaming, boiling, or sautéing at lower temperatures. Marinating meats before grilling can also help reduce the formation of HCAs. When toasting bread or roasting vegetables, aim for a golden brown color rather than a charred or blackened appearance. Number 4. Alcohol. Regular alcohol consumption has been linked to various cancers, including breast, liver, colon, and throat cancer. Alcohol metabolizes in the body to acetaldehyde, a toxic chemical and probable human carcinogen. Additionally, alcohol can impair the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients like vitamin A, folate, and vitamin C, which are vital for preventing cell damage. To reduce cancer risk, limit alcohol intake or consider switching to non-alcoholic alternatives. Explore mocktails, non-alcoholic wines, or flavored sparkling waters as enjoyable substitutes for alcoholic beverages. Number 5. Refined carbohydrates. Foods like white bread, pastries, and most commercially available snacks made from refined carbohydrates can cause rapid spikes in insulin levels, potentially promoting cancer cell growth. These foods are low in fiber and essential nutrients compared to whole grains. Replace refined carbohydrates with whole grain options like whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and supporting overall health. Number 6. Trans fats. Trans fats found in fried foods and certain margarines have been associated with increased cancer risk. These fats are created through an industrial process that adds hydrogen to liquid vegetable oils, making them solid at room temperature. Trans fats have been linked to inflammation, insulin resistance, and other metabolic disturbances that may contribute to cancer development. Choose foods rich in healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil instead of products containing trans fats. Number 7. Artificial sweeteners and additives. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and additives like MSG, monosodium glutamate, are commonly used in diet sodas, processed snacks, and ready-made meals. While the evidence linking these additives directly to cancer remains inconclusive, some studies suggest potential risks. To play it safe, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia, honey, or maple syrup to satisfy your sweet tooth. Enhance flavors with herbs, spices, and natural seasonings instead of relying on artificial additives for taste. Number 8. Highly salted, pickled, or smoked foods. Highly salted, pickled, or smoked foods are often rich in sodium and may contain preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. Excessive salt intake has been linked to an increased risk of stomach cancer. Additionally, preservatives used in these foods can form potentially carcinogenic compounds in the body. Choose fresh or minimally processed foods seasoned with herbs and spices for flavor. If you enjoy pickled foods, consider making your own at home using less salt and avoiding harmful additives. Number 9. Food stored in plastic containers with BPA. Plastic containers containing bisphenol A, BPA, can leach harmful chemicals into food, potentially disrupting hormones and increasing cancer risk. BPA is known as an endocrine disruptor that mimics estrogen in the body, potentially contributing to hormone-related cancers. Opt for glass or BPA-free plastic containers for food storage to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals. Glass containers are non-reactive and do not release any chemicals into food, making them a safer alternative for storing leftovers and meal prep. Number 10. Red meat. Excessive consumption of red meat, especially when cooked at high temperatures or until well done, has been linked to colorectal cancer. The heme iron and carcinogenic compounds formed during cooking processes may contribute to cancer development. Limit red meat intake and choose leaner cuts like sirloin or tenderloin. Incorporate more plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh into your diet to reduce reliance on red meat while still meeting your protein needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.